Under the blazing blue summer sky, a sun shower falls. In Korea, they call this a fox rain. Legend has it that the female fox was in love with the cloud, but choosing reality over love, the vixen decided to marry the king of the mountains, the tiger. Today is the vixen's wedding day, and it's also the day the heartbroken cloud sheds tears. In the sunlight, raindrops keep drizzling. I've only recently come to appreciate the rain. On clear days, nothing much happens. But on rainy days, if you're lucky, something better might occur. Encountering this kind of scenery, today feels like one of those days.
Meet me down by the water. Escape the crowd so we can be alone. 'Cause lately days are feeling shorter. Before we know it, the summer will have gone. But I know somewhere we can go. Maybe we should skip the winter. This town is far too crowded for us now. 'Cause lately it's getting colder, but it's warmer when you are around. Yeah, I know somewhere we can go.
I hiked up the opposite side of Peak 1275 from my last trek. That is, the Heeungak side of Dinosaur Ridge. The clouds that have been drizzling since morning grew heavy and settled by dusk. By morning, even the wind has grown stronger. The Siberian dwarf pine, true to its name, lies low against the ground, bracing itself against the gusts. As I walk along the Dinosaur Ridge toward Heeungak, Peak 1275 gradually recedes into the distance. I find myself constantly looking back. From Shinsan-dae, I take one last look at the path I walked yesterday and today. peak 1275. Cloud-covered 마등령, 마등봉. Bumbong. 울산바위. And the East Sea. Those who have left in pursuit of gain and reality claim to understand the world best and even lecture those who have fallen behind. Yet it is those who cling to their dreams and ideals who must bear the full weight of reality. The fox left in search of status and power, but the cloud remains on the mountain, still shedding rain even the next day. Those who endlessly climb up and down the mountains in search of something might be the ones who live in the mundane world with the greatest intensity. Sunlight and raindrops continue to alternate. Today, once again, the fox rain falls.